Alrighty, y'all, we're back. This is going to be an important video because we had an amazing viral video a few weeks ago, and it was reacting to the Scania V8s with like open exhaust. It was glorious. It was amazing. Loud, deep sound, and quite frankly, I can't get enough of it. So naturally, I want to find out what some of the competitors sound like too. Even though the Scanias were totally awesome, we're looking at another V8, which is rare because a lot of semi-trucks, at least in my experience, from what I knew about American trucks, a lot of them are big inline six diesels. Well, of course, Scania had a V8 diesel, and then, of course, apparently these older IVECOs also had V8s. And that's what we're looking at. We're looking at, I think most of these are older IVECO V8 engine sounds compilations from a channel called GM Truck Videos, and will be linked down below. Make sure you check them out. And this is a Discord suggestion from Alum GP. So thank you guys for this. Let's hear some awesome, loud semi-trucks, the Euro cab over style from IVECO. I'm super pumped. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Yup. Oh, that is better than I thought.
Musica italiana del V8 Fiat del 190-48.
Italian music, yeah. Look at that, IVECO. Oh, that's cool looking. I would guess this is an older one. You could tell kind of this got to be maybe 90s. I love the style of it though, man. These cab overs are so really cool and unique, and I'm just not used to seeing them over here in the States. Of course, I've never even seen this brand over here. Really cool sound from this thing, and it's got the aesthetic to match. Love the lights up there. I love the style of these, man. They're freaking awesome. That idle is everything. It's everything, man. Oh, that is so cool. This would be fun to drive. Look at how mean that thing looks, huh? This is a different one. God, they're good looking trucks though. I like them. Yo, that is no joke. Oh my God. Damn, that thing sounds awesome. Look at all these old IVECOs. In Hollanda, so Holland or Netherlands. Really cool. Different sizes, different generations probably. Wow. Those are cool, man. Ooh, here we got a bright red one. Damn. Hilarious horn. That thing sounds good though. Sounds so industrial. I love that sound. Here we go. This is a pleasant surprise. We have a Scania versus a Turbostar from IVECO. Here we go. Damn. Okay, you gotta put it in the comments. Who do you got? Here we go. This one's gonna take off. Yeah, those sound really good. Holy cool. These things almost look like unloaded. They'd be kind of fast, yeah? Oh, that sounds so good. Here we go. Look at this exhaust. Wow. They sound so good. This one sounds nice. It's a little more muffled, but it's livable, and you can hear it. And it's got such a great idle. Wow. Oh, I love that. That's addicting. And then finally, in cab. Jeez. That thing goes pretty quick, yeah? Oh my God. Holy crap. Wow. Oh my God. And of course, it sounds great under load, right? Pulling the weight, you get even more kind of a raw sound. That was spectacular. I skipped around a little bit. Make sure to check that link down there. Awesome stuff. Seriously, great suggestion. We were due for some more sounds from these awesome Euro trucks. It's like a new world to me. It's really, really exciting. You gotta tell me what you think of these. Have you ever driven these, the Eurostar? It sounds so good and tough and industrial. I don't know right now. I'm too new. I don't know what I liked better because the Scanias sound really freaking awesome too, and they just look so good. But these are cool, man. They got their own style too. They're really powerful sounding. I don't know. You got to tell me which one you like better, or if another truck out there sounds better than these. Let's hear about it. Can't wait to see what you guys have to say. Please throw a like on there if you enjoyed this. I really hope you did. And of course, subscribe to be part of this amazing community. My name is Ian. You're watching IWrocker. Until next time, guys. Catch you later.